The controversial food security ordinance has got a go-ahead from the President. That's soon after it was cleared by the Cabinet on Wednesday.
But with the hurried manner in which the government has brought in the ordinance, the opposition is certain that the country could be headed for early polls. But how ready are our political parties if general elections are advanced?
How are our politicians placed in such a scenario? Who stands to benefit? Let's find that out.
The hurried manner in which the UPA government brought in the food security ordinance has reignited talk of the Congress preparing for early polls.
फूड सिक्योरिटी बिल के संबंध में ऑर्डिनेंस जारी करने जा रहे हैं। 9 वर्षों में इस गवर्नमेंट ने फूड सिक्योरिटी बिल पार्लियामेंट में लाकर उस पर डिबेट कराकर उसे पास कराने की क्यों नहीं कोशिश की? और विद सर्टेन अमेंडमेंट्स, कुछ संशोधनों के साथ हम इस बिल को पारित करना चाहते हैं।
We had very clearly suggested that the monsoon session of the parliament be advanced and no special session be required. The government therefore has decided to go in the route of the ordinance. It only is very clear that they are running away from debate because many facts or many gaps in this bill will be highlighted by all political parties in the parliament.
The Congress, however, is in denial.
Some people say that why such a hurry? Because it is not in a hurry now. We have been after the opposition to allow us to discuss since February 2013 when the budget session started. So it is something not in a day that we have decided to bring in an ordinance, and we are not even running away from the discussion.
हमने जो मैनिफेस्टो में अपने वादा किया है, उन वादों को पूरा करने के लिए हम प्रतिबद्ध हैं। ये हमारा वादा था और उसको हमने पूरा करने का काम किया है। चुनाव होंगे नहीं होंगे, हमारी नजर ना चुनाव पर है, हमारी नजर लोगों पर है जिनसे हमने वादा किया है, और कांग्रेस पार्टी अपने वादे को पूरा कर रही है।
But the opposition is divided on the issue. The third front has not been formed yet. The third front is divided due to Mamta's federal front. The left and Mulayam are tugging in different directions. NDA alliance is fractured or broken. Only Shiv Sena and Akali seem to have stayed on. The BJP itself is a divided house. Let's now take a look at who is in favor of early polls and who isn't. The Congress, AIADMK, Trinamool Congress and JDU are all in favor. And those against are the left, BJP, BSP and DMK.